Welcome to Discovering the Bible. Whether you're a newcomer or deepening your biblical knowledge, this series is your guide through one of history's most influential texts. Today, we start with an overarching view. Imagine a library within a single book. That's the Bible, a collection of 66 books written over 1,500 years by over 40 authors. Each book, from Genesis to Revelation, plays a unique role in God's unified narrative, offering a rich diversity that speaks to a global audience. Recognizing the Bible's genres helps unlock its messages. From historical narratives to poetic verses and practical proverbs, understanding these styles reveals deeper meanings and enriches your reading experience. Three main styles emerge: narrative, poetry, and prose. Narratives tell the grand story of God and humanity. Poetry captures emotions and divine truths. Prose offers practical wisdom and guidance. Together, they form a tapeful that resonates across human experience. The Bible is split into the Old and New Testaments, each outlining God's interaction with humanity. This structure guides us through historical contexts and theological meanings, serving as a roadmap to the Messiah's arrival in the New Testament. Central themes like love, justice, redemption, and reconciliation recur throughout the Bible, demonstrating real actions God takes and invites us to emulate. These themes offer a deeper understanding of and relationship with the divine. Approaching the Bible can be overwhelming. Start with a reading plan tailored to your spiritual journey, engage with study groups for shared insights, and always seek divine guidance through prayer as you read, allowing the words to transform both mind and heart. Thank you for joining this introduction. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations and share your experiences below. Together, let's delve into the treasures of biblical wisdom and their application to our lives.